Hello and welcome to Tiny Treasures. It is so cold outside and Makka Pakka is having fun in the snow. Woo! It's nice and fluffy and you can see the crystals. And you can even see snowflakes if you look up close. Do you see some snowflake shapes? They are so beautiful. We decided to make some frozen surprises outside since it was so cold. We poured some colored water into a container, and our heart rock is supposed to hold our Lego. Oops! Oh, here comes Lala, and little Makka Pakka has fallen over. Makka Pakka! Sorry, Makka Pakka. And so we were putting this rock down as a weight. Oh, you keep falling, Makka Pakka. Let's put you down here. And so now the rock is stuck. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our surprise Lego pieces that are stuck in the ice. Now, what do we need to melt ice? Well, we can either wait and it will slowly melt in the room temperature, or we can add some hot water. We have to be careful with Lala because hot water can burn. And so we always get help from a parent when we're doing a science experiment or working with something hot, and so that it's done safely, tiny fans. So let me get some hot water. All right, I've got some hot water, and once I pour it in, the ice will start to melt, and we'll get our Lego blocks free. Careful, Lala. And the rock will come off. There we go. And there's even some other little surprises, like some little stones in our ice cubes you can see. But our surprise is inside the blue Lego block. Oops! And the green Lego block. And they're melting very quickly. Oh, and Makka Pakka's having a little swim. Makka Pakka likes the water. Woo! Now, oh, you can already see some of the stones. I have some sea glass that I found on a beach. And the glass used to be sharp, but the waves and the rocks make the glass smooth over time. And there's some more sea glass. And Kitten is really interested in what's going on. Our ice is almost melted. Maybe we need to add a little more hot water. Watch out, Kitten. Our container's starting to get full. I think that's enough water. And I think our blue brick is free. Oh, there's definitely something inside. We'll put that aside and we'll open that up. And this one, there, I just broke the ice off and it's free. Makka Pakka. One more jump, Makka Pakka, off the rock. Makka Pakka. All right. Now we've dried up our play surface and Makka Pakka is standing on the Lego blocks. Which color should we open first, Makka Pakka? Blue. Okay, let's open the blue. Now, do you know how to spell blue, tiny fans? You tell them, Makka Pakka. B-L-U-E. Blue. That's right, Makka Pakka. Oh, look, Makka Pakka, it's a box of crayons. And we'll just block Kitten because she's having a little private bath. Silly Kitten. Makka Pakka loves to draw and color. Let's get out our sparkly pencil crayons. Do you see how many crayons are in this box? 64. And here are my glitter pencil crayons, and they have some Paw Patrol charms on them. We've got Marshall and Sky. Of course, Marshall's on the red pencil crayon, And Sky is on the pink one. Oh, what's wrong, kitten? Oh, can you hear kitten? Oh, she's got such a cute little cry. Now I'm going to get my little grateful book out. Do you remember this? It's the 101 Joys Make a Rainbow. So eventually my notebook will make a pretty rainbow. And it's a gratitude journal. That means you write down what you're grateful for. I am grateful for my food. I am grateful for clean water. I'm grateful for my kids or my pets. You can be grateful for many different things. So today I'm going to write that I am grateful for the sun because it is shining today, and the sun is a great way to stay healthy. Make sure you get sun on your face every day. About an hour in the morning is great. Okay. Oh, and I need to fold this one. Now I realized I already grabbed a color, but I wanted to ask Tiny Fans, what color should I use to draw the sun? Makka Pakka, can you help? Golden yellow. Yes, let's draw a golden yellow sun. Oh, and look, somebody's joined us. It's other kitten, Poe. Oh, and now she's interested in the Lego brick, the blue one. Don't drink the water in there. Look, she's got a cute little gray toe. Isn't that so adorable? So I am grateful for the sun. S-U-N. And I'm going to do a bright sun. And we'll color it in. And then we just add some lines. You can draw a sun however you'd like. You can even add some oranges in there, like the sunset colors. There we go. And fold this up. Let's go get some sunshine on our faces, Makka Pakka. Ah, sunshine. Oh, now the kittens have calmed down a bit. They're laying down on the set. Oh, and Poe moved the green Lego brick with her tail. Do you know how to spell green, Makka Pakka? G-R-E-E-N. That's right. Oh, and Poe is starting to knock things off the desk, silly kitten. Oh, look, Makka Pakka. It's a camera. And I think we can look at the pictures. Let's have a look. Oh, the camera isn't working. This circle has all of the pictures of fish. And when I push this down, the disc or the circle is supposed to spin so that we can see different photos through the back of the camera. I tried to fix it, but I have another camera we can look at. Okay, Makka Pakka? Makka Pakka. Wait! Makka Pakka figured it out. This little piece needed to be on this side of the circle. Let's give it a try now. Good job, Makka Pakka. Makka Pakka. We'll put the camera back together, just like that. And now, ooh, look, there's some coral and a yellow fish. I'm going to push the yellow button. It works! Yay! There's a blue, white striped fish. A white fish. Another yellow fish. Ooh, there's some yellow, and orange, and purple. And there's some angel fish. And we're back at the beginning. Yay, it worked! Makka Pakka, good job. Sometimes we just need to fiddle around, right? Okay, it's time to say goodbye, Tiny Fans. I don't know where the kittens went. They must be tired. But we'll say goodbye. Bye-bye.